ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पृष्ठ क्रमांक 31, 31, पेज नंबर 31। टीका, second line from top. Ghata Bhashya is going on. Shunyavadi said, before Srishti, there is no Karya, there is no Karana. Karyam, Karanam cha Asat. Vaisheshikas, they said, Karyam is Asat, but Karanam is Sat. Siddhanti said, you have to look at the next sentence also. Mrityuna eva idam avrutam asit. Therefore, there is something which is the avaranam, karanam, and something which is avrutam, karyam. In other words, both are existent. Only thing is they are unmanifest. So the second line of Tika now, karya karanayoho sattvanumanam pratignyaya prathamam karana sattvam anuminoti. कार्य कारणयोः सत्वानुमानं प्रतिज्ञाय. Siddhanti's pratignya is karya and karana. Both are sat. Pratignyaya. Prathamam karana sattvam anuminoti. First, karana sattva anumanam he does. Where on previous page bhashya, anumiyate cha pragutpattehe karya karanayoho astitvam. उत्पत्तेः प्राक्, बिफोर क्रिएशन, कार्य कारणयोः अस्तित्वम् अनुमीयते. कस्माद् अनुमीयते, कस्मात् न प्रत्यक्षेन गृह्यते? न कस्मात्, कस्मात् कारण. Why do we say अनुमीयते? Why can't we say we have प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान?
Because karana is avyakta. It is not known by pratyaksha.
It's not indriya gochara.
And karya?
Karya is pratyaksha. Karana is avyakta.
No.
Unmanifested.
उत्पत्तेः प्राक्, before creation. Before creation, nothing will be pratyaksha. Whatever is there before creation, whatever is there after dissolution, either Shruti will tell or you have to do Anumanam only. It is simple. Anumiyate cha prag utpattehe karya karanayoho astitvam. Tika further. Karanasya sattve anumanam aha. Now, Karana is there in that Siddhanti is going to do Anuman. In Bhashya it is given, Karyasya hi sato jayamanasya karane sati utpatti darshana. Everybody knows where I am, right? I read the last portion,
Yes, sir.
of the last line of the Bhashya on page 30 and connecting to 31. Karyasya hi satah jayamanasya karane sati utpatti darshanat. कार्यस्य सतः जायमानस्य, कार्य which is sat, स्वरूप and which is उत्पद्यमान जायमानस्य उत्पत्ति कारणे सति दर्शनात्. Only when karana is there, then only karya will have utpatti. In the absence of karana, if the karana is abhava rupa karana will not have any karya. Anumanam is done. And asati cha adarshanat. Karane sati darshanat. Kim darshanat utpatti. Asati cha adarshanat. In bhashya, asati cha adarshanat means karane asati utpatti adarshanat. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Karane asati utpatti adarshanat. In this way. Karyasya. Anumanam is given. Vimatam in tika. Vimatam satpurvam कार्यत्वात् कुंभवत् इत्यर्थः. विमतम सत्पूर्वम. विमतम मीन्स कारणम. राइट. 4 नंबर टिप्पणी. जगत.
Given as Jagat.
जगत 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 सत्पूर्वम. सत्पूर्वम मीन्स कारण हैज टू बी सत. सत कारण पूर्वकम कार्यम. कार्यत्वात् कुंभवत्. Jagat will have a sat karanam because Jagat is karyam, like Ghata. What is the Vyapti?
यत्र यत्र कार्यत्वं तत्र तत्र सत्वं.
तत्र तत्र सत्पूर्वकत्वम. यत्र यत्र कार्यत्वम तत्र तत्र satpurvakatvam. So in Kumbha it is there. Jagat also will have. In Bhashya,
Vimatam literal meaning is Jagat.
Vimatam means Jagat. Vimatam means Viruddha Matam.
Yes.
Wherever there is Viruddha Mata means whatever is the point of contention will become Paksha. Tell me what is the definition of Paksha. You only tell me. Nobody else. What is Paksha?
Forgot.
Anybody else online?
साध्य अभाववद् वृत्तिः.
Sandigdha Sadhyavan.
साध्यवान्.
The Sadhyavan Paksha.
Sandigdha.
Is there a question?
Nice.
Okay. Sandigdha Sadhyavan Paksha. So Jagat is where Sandeha is there. That's why Sandigdha. Sandeha is about Jagat Karana. So Jagat is made as Paksha. In Bhashya, Jagatopi. Those who have studied Tarka Sangraha properly, they should understand this thoroughly. Means they will. Others will get it to some extent. Jagatopi prag utpattehe karana astitvam anumiyate. Ghatadi karana astitvavat. Jagataha api prag utpattehe karana astitvam anumiyate. This is exactly what that anumanam is. Bhashyakar has given here. Jagat is the paksha. Its karana astitvam utpattehe prag. So satpurvam karanasya astitvam anumiyate. Ghata the karana astitvavat. So ghata will become drishtanta. Now Purva Pakshi comes. Shunyavada. न अनुपमृद्य प्रादुर्भावात् इति न्यायेन दृष्टान्तस्य साध्यवैकल्यं चोदयति. न अनुपमृद्य प्रादुर्भावात्. What is the dhatu here? Swamiji?
Jan dhatu.
No, where jan is here? There is no jan. Mrid is a dhatu. Anupamridya. An, upa. The both are upasarga. And mrid is there. Lyap pratyaya is there. Mridya. Mrid shode means peshanam, pishtikaranam means destruction. Na anupamridya pradurbhavat. So here you can write some missing words are there. Missing word means not in the tika for our explanation. Na anupamridya is for karanam. Pradurbhavat. Pradurbhav means utpatti. Kasya karyasya. So na anupamridya karanam karyasya pradurbhava utpatti. This is the niyama. This is the nyaya. Clear? Na anupamridya karanam. Karanam anupamridya karyasya pradurbhavo na. First, this much you understand. Purva Pakshi says, without destruction of karanam, karya utpatti cannot happen. This is the nyaya. We say yes. He says, with this nyaya, drishtantasya sadhya vaikalyam. Drishtanta hai sadhya vaikalyam. What is sadhya vaikalyam?
Drishtanta sadhya is not there.
दृष्टान्ते साध्याभावः अस्ति।
Drishtante sadhya bhava is called sadhya vaikalyam. Correct. In drishtanta, sadhya is not there. Who is saying? Chodayati means shankam kurvati. Karoti, shankam karoti. Kaha? Shunyavadi. So drishtanta is kumbha. He says kumbha is not satpurvaka. How? Let us see in Bhashya. Ghatadi karanasya api asatvam eva anupamridya mritpindadikam ghatadi anutpattehe iti chet. Ghatadi karanasya api asatvam eva anupamridya mritpindadikam ghatadi anutpattehe. According to Vedanti, what is the Ghata Karanam? Mrittika.
Tika.
According to Shunyavadi, Ghata Karanam is not Mrittika. Is Mritpinda, the lump. So, what he says, Pinda Nasha will take place and Ghata Utpatti will take place. Because the Ghata Utpatti is from Pinda Nasha, therefore they are called Vainashika. Because when Pinda Nasha takes place, there is Shunyam. So Karanam is now Shunyam, Karya is Ghata. Now you see the sentence. Ghatadi karanasya api asatvam eva. He says Ghatadi karana is also having asat as its karanam. Karanasya asatvam. Why? Anupamritya mritpindadikam ghatadi anutpattehe. Anupamritya. Anupamritya means without destroying the karanam. What is the karanam according to him? Mritpinda. Mritpindadikam anupamritya Ghatadi anutpattehe. Without destroying the mrit pinda, ghata utpatti will not happen. So ghata utpatti, if it is there, it is coming. So there are three steps. Mrit pinda is there, mrit pinda is destroyed, ghata utpatti took place. So just before ghata utpatti, karya niyata purva vritti is what? Mrit pinda nashakam. This is the karana. So this is asat. So you said in your anumanam, what is the sadhya in the anumanam? What is the sadhya? Satpurvam. Satpurvam, but here what is happening? Mritpinda, Nasha, Ghata. So therefore, just before Ghata, what is there? Nasha, Asat. It is not Satpurvam. Sadhyava. So in the Drashtanta, just before Ghata, there is Asat. Kumbha or Ghata before that. So in Drashtanta, Sadhya is not there. This is the Sadhya Vaikalya. Ghatadi anutpattehe iti chet. So in all this, you can see, just to understand one line of Bhashya and one line of Tika, you need very calm mind, you need all concepts, then things will fit in. If you are half tired, this, that, Ghata Bhashya is all Mrittika, iti chet. This is Purva Pakshi line. This much is okay? Everybody online?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
Good. टीका न तावत् असिद्धो घटः स्वकारणम् उपमृद्नाति स्वकारणम् उपमृद्नाति असतो अकारकत्वात् सिद्धस्य तु उपमर्दकत्वे न असत्पूर्वकत्वम् इति उत साध्य विकलता इत्याह न तावत् असिद्धो घटः. So now swakarana upamardanam, these lines are such that if you just read by itself, तो कुछ ज़्यादा, it's very difficult, all these sentences. Now you can imagine what happens. Swakaranam, asiddha ghata will do upamardanam or siddha ghata will do upamardanam. This is the vikalpa. Ghata is there, right? Ghata has, who brings the destruction of the mritpinda? Siddha ghata or asiddha ghata? This is asiddho ghataha swakaranam na upamridnati. Ghata which has not yet come into being, how can it destroy its karanam? It cannot do. Na tavad asiddho ghataha swakaranam upamridnati. Why? Because asat vastu cannot be a karaka. Asataha akarakatvat. This is one vichara. You say, let us say siddho ghataha. Siddha ghata, after its coming into being, how will it destroy karanam? Because for it to come into being, that karanam should have gone under upamardhanam, according to Shunyavada thinking. Siddhasya tu upamardakatve na asatpurvakatvam. If that siddha vastu is doing the upamardhanam, then it is not asatpurvakam, na asatpurvakatvam. Because it is already siddha. Actually, siddha ghata will not do upamardhanam. This upamardhanam idea of the mritpinda is brought by them. We don't agree. Swarasyam is not there itself. Because we don't say mritpinda is ghatasya karanam. Upadana karanam of ghata is mrit, not pinda. Pinda is akar vishesha or karya vishesha, just like ghata. That khandanam he will do now. न असत्पूर्वकम् इति कुतः साध्य विकलता साध्य वैकल्यम इज नॉट देयर इत्याह न इति न सिद्धांति से मृदादेह कारणत्वात् not pinda is not karanam, mrit is karanam. Now you tell me pinda can get destroyed and ghata utpatti can happen, but mrittika destruction is happening.
No.
Mrittika
No,
was there
sir.
before,
No,
mrittika is
sir.
there afterwards also, so mrittika destruction is not happening. टीका किंच अन्वयी द्रव्यमेव सर्वत्र कारणम न पिंडादि विशेषो अन्वयी द्रव्यमेव सर्वत्र कारणम न पिंडादि विशेषः. Why? Two hetus are given. Ananvayat, anavasthanach iti. So two things are required for karanam. Here means upadana karanam. Here in this entire Ghata Bhashya, when it is not mentioned, only karanam shabda means you have to understand upadana karanam. Kulala is karanam or not? Nimitta karanam. But kulala is anvayi karanam for ghata? No. Therefore, anvayi karana is required. Second, it has to be dravya only. Anvayi and dravyam. Anvayi dravyam eva sarvatra karanam. Na pindadi vishesha. Pindadi vishesha is only akara. How can that be karanam? Why it is not? Because it is not anvayi. Pindadi vishesha is not there in ghata. Mrit is there in ghata. So karanam will be mrit. Ananvayat. So this I already explained. There is no anvaya of pindadi vishesha in ghata. There is anvaya of mrittika in ghata. Okay. And anavasthanacha. Anavasthanat. So first understand, then you see the tippani. If you say for ghata utpatti, mrittika is not karanam, mritpinda is karanam. This is mrittika. Mrittika produces mritpinda. And then you say mritpinda nasha will produce ghata. Okay. So mritpinda is responsible for ghata. If you say mrittika and mritpinda, what is the karana of mritpinda? You cannot say it is mrittika. You will have to say some other pinda. Mritpinda B is karanam for mritpinda A, because mrittika is there in ghata also, but you said mritpinda is karanam. So mrittika is there in mritpinda. You will have to say mritpinda B is karanam. Then for mritpinda B, what is the karanam? Not mrittika. You will have to say mritpinda C. This is anavastha. Now you see tippani number 10. अनवस्थानात् इति घटस्य मृत् अतिरिक्त कारणकत्वे तत् कारणस्यापि कार्यत्वेन तद् अतिरिक्त तत्कत्वे घटस्य मृत् अतिरिक्त कारणकत्वे. You understood this concept first, right? What he is saying. Now we just have to do the pankti. First we have to know the concept of what are they trying to prove. Why there is anavastha. If ghata has something other than mrittika as the karana, ghatasya mrit atirikta karanakatvam, mrit atiriktam karanam yasya ghatasya tad ghato mrit atirikta karanakaha. If mrit atirikta karanakatvam is there in ghata, then tad karanasyapi Karyatvena, that Mritpinda, which is the Karanam for Ghata according to you, is also a Karya. Correct? Karyatvena, tad atirikta tatkatve. Tad atirikta, Mrit atirikta tatkatve. Tatkatve karanakatve. So now it also will have Mrit atirikta karanakatvam. Like earlier, Ghata also had Mrit atirikta karanakatvam. So the Pinda also will have Mrit atirikta karanakatvam. First tat in that last tippani, last line. Tad atirikta tatkatve. In that tat, first tat is Mrit. Second tat is Karana. Note down. Tat atirikta tatkatve. Mrit atirikta karanakatve. अनवस्थानाच्च इति कुतः साध्य वैकल्यम इत्याह. If you say Mrit is the Karanam, if you understand, means we already say Mrit is the Karanam. If you have understood that Mrit is the Karanam, Purvapakshi, we tell him, then it is still there. Pinda Nasha has taken place, but Mritika Nasha has not taken place. So it is still Sat Purvam only. So Sadhya is there in Drashtanta. Then where is Sadhya Vaikalyam? Utaha Sadhya Vaikalyam Ityaha. So Sadhya Vaikalya dosha is not there according to Siddhanti. In Bhashya, Murdadehe Karanatvat. Tadeva Sputayati. That he explains further. Mrit Suvarnadi hi tatra karanam ghata ruchakader na pindadi akara visheshaha. Mrit Suvarnadi are the karanam for ghata ruchakadi. Ruchaka means
Ornament.
Abharanam,
Ornament.
ornament. Ghata ruchakadehe Mrit Suvarnadi karanam na pindadi akara. Pindadi akara is, akara will go on changing, it will be destroyed. It has no karya karana sambandha there. Tatra iti drashtantokti in tika. Tatra means in drashtanta. How do we know this? So in tika, this is important. Kincha anvaya vyatirekabhyam karanam avadheyam. How do we know something is karanam for something else? You see, we use anvaya vyatireka method. Yat satve yat sattvam, yad abhave yad abhava. So मृत्तिका सत्वे घट सत्वम, मृत्तिका अभावे घटाभाव. सो मृत्तिका एव घटस्य कारणम. दिस इज द सामान्य अन्वय व्यतिरेक. सो मृत्पिंड हैज नो रोल. Even if mritpinda is not there, ghata utpatti can happen. That is given in tika. न च पिंडा भावे घटो न भवति इति व्यतिरेको अस्ति. पिंड अभावे घटो न भवति इति व्यतिरेको न अस्ति. मीन्स पिंड अभावे भी घटो भवति. बस पिंडाभावे अपि शकलादिभ्यो घटादि उद्भव उपलम्भात् इत्याह. Even if pinda is not there, shakala means some piece is there. From there you can create. But what is pinda? No. Pinda is mitti, you cannot say. No, so Mrittika is there. Pinda is only a form. Pinda is not Dravya. So Dravya is needed. What is the Dravya there? Pinda is only Akara Vishesha. Right? Like this Sthula Sharira is Pancha Mahabhut. Why do we say it is Pancha Mahabhut? Why don't we say it is some Akara Vishesha? Because the substance here is Pancha Mahabhut. So that only will become Upadana. In Bhashya, Tadabhave Bhavat. Tadabhave. Pindadi Akar Abhave Ghata Bhavat. Even in the absence of Pindadi Akara, Ghata is possible. Means a particular Akara is not there. Somebody will say, but Mritika is there, you have to create Pinda first, then from Pinda alone you can create Ghata. Yes, but that Pinda is not Dravya. It is not material. It is only Akara Vishesha. In Bhashya, asati api pindakar visheshe mrit suvarnadi karana dravya matra deva ghata ruchakadi karyotpattir drishyate. Asati api pindakar visheshe. Even when pindakar vishesha is not there, mrit suvarnadi karana dravya matra deva. From the mrit suvarnadi karana dravya, ghata ruchakadi karya utpatti drishyate. Karyotpatti hi drishyate. So Karya Utpatti is from Dravya Matra, Mrit, Suvarna, Ityadi. In Tika, Tadeva Skutayati. So that he explained. In Bhashya further, Tasmat, na Pindakar Vishesho Ghataruchakadi Karanakam, a Karanam. This is the Nigamanam. Tasmat, na Pindakar Vishesho Ghataruchakadi Karanam. Pindakar Vishesha is not the Karanam for Ghataruchaka, etc. Tika. त्वन्मते अपि व्यतिरेक राहित्यम तुल्यम इति आशंक्य आह. Shunyavadi is doing ashanka against Siddhanti. Tvanmate means you, Siddhanti. In your mata also, Yatireka Rahityam is Samanam. How? In Bhashya, Asati tu Mrit Suvarnadi Dravye Ghata Ruchakadir na jayate iti Mrit Suvarnadi Dravyameva Karanam natu Pindakar Vishesha. This is Vyatireka. In the absence of Mrit Suvarnadi Dravya, Ghata Ruchakadir na jayate. Na jayate, what is the dhatu for jayate? Jani Pradurbhave. Jani Pradurbhave, Jan jayate. Na jayate, mriyate, it comes many times. Ghata Ruchakadir Mrit Suvarnadi Dravye asati na jayate. Iti Mrit Suvarnadi Dravyameva Karanam. Dravya is Karanam, natu Pindakara Vishesha. So Siddhanti explained Vyatireka also. Tika. Mridadi eva ghatadi karanam ched kimiti pindadau sati eva tato ghatadi anutpattihi iti ashankya. So, this is your question, he has put. मृदादि एव घटादि कारणं चेत्, इफ यू से मृत् इज द घट कारणं, किमिति पिंडादौ सति एव, पिंडादौ सति एव मीन्स सति अपि मृदादेः घटादि अनुत्पत्तिः. So only when pinda is there, you say ghata utpatti will happen, not from mrit directly. Tato ghatadi anutpattihi, tatah means from mrit. मृदादेहे घटादि अनुत्पत्तिः इति आशंक्याः in Bhashya. Understood the question here? He says, if from Mrittika you are saying Ghata Utpatti happens, then that Mrittika has to be in some form. So that some form which is there, that Pinda, from that Pinda, Karya Utpatti is seen. So you don't say it is from Ghata, it's from Mrit. Mridadehe Ghatadi Anutpattihi. So Siddhanti says, Karanam is there. Sarvam hi Karanam Karyam Utpadayat. Purvotpannasya Atmakaryasya Tirodhanam Kurvat Karyantaram Utpadayati. Those who have studied Chandogya Upanishad, Sadeva Somya Idamagra Asid Ekameva Dvitiyam. You see that Bhashya of Ekameva Dvitiyam. All these points you will see. There also Shunyavadi is one opponent, and there Bija and Vriksha, that Drishtanta is taken. It is not Ghata, but similar ideas are given there. There also Vaisheshikas are there. Those who have studied and those who remember, they will know. Sarvam hi karanam karyam utpadayat. Every time a karanam, when it produces a karyam, pay attention. Karanam, when it produces a karyam, what it does? Puro utpanna atma karya means that karya which it created earlier, it will hide. Tirodhanam kurvat. Then karyantaram utpadayati. So you should understand this way. I gave you example. Mrittika, Pinda, Ghata. From Mrittika, when it is in Pinda form, at that time Ghata is not there. Correct? Then that Pinda form will go away. Mrittika will now appear in Ghata Rupa. You destroy that Ghata and you create a plate. Mrittika will now appear in plate form. So Mrittika in Pinda form, in Ghata form, in plate form. Mrittika is Karana. Pinda, Ghata, they are not Karana. Ghata, if you destroy and create plate, what is the Karana? You don't say Ghata. So then, in the same way, Mritpinda when destroyed and Ghata is created, you don't say Mritpinda is Karana. Mritika is Karana. Sarvam hi Karanam Karyam Utpadayat. Karya ka utpadan karte hue, while producing the Karyam. So here, next Karyam is Ghata. Karyam Utpadayat. Purvotpannasya Atmakaryasya Pindasya Tirodhanam Kurvat. Karyantaram Ghatam Utpadayati. Every cause, when it creates an effect, it hides the previous effect. Whether it is a lump form or anything. Like gold. If there is a piece of gold, you create an ornament. That piece form is gone now. Because now it is in some necklace, etc. form. See, Bhagavan Bhashyakar called it Ghata Bhashya. Suvarna Bhashya. Abhushanak Bhashya he didn't say. Because all sannyasis are there. For them, Ghata is so common. Suvarna is Varjita. in Tika. Now somebody says, okay, so let us take example of Brahma. Brahma is there, one karyam is produced. For next karya, so Akasha came. Then from Brahma bhavat apanna akashat vayuhu. The Akasha should be tirodhanam, then Vayu. Then Vayu tirodhanam Agni. That doesn't happen. Say Brahmanitu avidyavashat upapattihi iti bhavaha. But in Brahma, because of avidya, all forms exist simultaneously. In Bhashya, he makes it clear. एकस्मिन् कारणे युगपत् अनेक कार्य विरोधात्. In when one karana is there, multiple anek karya cannot happen. But in case of Brahma, it is happening. He says that is because of avidya. But there also, so from Brahma, Akasha. Then from Akasha, Vayu, we say. Actually, it is not Akasha producing Vayu. It is Brahma, Bhavapanna, Akasha producing Vayu. Not any Akasha. Akasha, which is nothing but Brahma in that Akasha form. That Brahma in Akasha form produces Vayu. Then Brahma in Vayu form produces Agni in this way. In Tika. अन्वयी द्रव्यम पूर्वोत्पन्न स्वकार्य तिरोधानेन कार्यांतरम जनयति चेत कार्य तादात्म्येन स्वयमपि नश्येत तत्र उत्तर कार्योत्पत्ति हेतु अभावात् इति आशंक्य आह. अन्वयी द्रव्यम मीन्स मृत्तिका पूर्वोत्पन्न स्वकार्य तिरोधानेन. पूर्वोत्पन्न स्वकार्य इज पिंड. पिंड तिरोधानेन, by hiding it. Karyantaram means ghata. It produces ghata by hiding the pinda form. If this is the case, janayati chet, karya tadatmyena. Now you see, mrittika has tadatmya with pinda. If you say pinda is destroyed, then mrittika nasha also should take place. This is what he says. Karya tadatmyena swayamapi nashyet. Tatra uttara karyotpatti hetu abhavat. So then, if it is destroyed, uttara karya utpatti hetu will not be there in mrittika. Why? Because it is not there, not existing itself. Uttara karya utpatti hetu abhavat iti ashankyaha na cha purva karyopamarde karanasya swatmopamardo bhavati. Just because purva karya upamarda takes place, karanasya swatma upamardo na bhavati. Karana is not destroyed. You see, upamarda keeps coming. Don't ask me what is upamarda. That's why first itself I ask you, upamarda is what is the dhatu? Mrit. In mrit dhatu, the meaning is in the form of peshanam, means destruction, shode. Nash karna, to destroy. So, न च पूर्व कार्य उपमर्दे कारणस्य स्वात्म उपमर्दो भवति. टीका. कार्यांतरे अपि अनुवृत्ति दर्शनात् कार्यांतरात्मना भावाच्च इत्यर्थः. कार्यांतरे अपि अनुवृत्ति दर्शनात् कस्य? कारणस्य. कार्यांतरे कारणस्य अनुवृत्ति दर्शनात् कार्यांतरात्मना भावाच्च. कारण is now in कार्यांतर रूप. कार्यांतरात्मना अवतिष्ठते कारणम भावाच्च इत्यर्थः. अन्वयी द्रव्यस्यैव कारणत्वे फलितमाह. If we take अन्वयी द्रव्य alone as कारणम, then in that what is the conclusion? Kim phalitam means what is the result of taking this statement? Tasmat pindadi upamarde karyotpatti darshanam ahetuhu pragutpattehe karana sattve. Tasmat pindadi upamarde, when pinda upamardanam takes place, karyotpatti darshanam, Karya Utpatti is seen. Therefore, Pindadi Upamarda is ahetuhu, is not the Karanam. Prag Utpattehe Karana Asatve. Because Ghatasya Utpattehe Prag Karana, that Mrit Pinda will become Asat. So therefore, that is not Hetu. That which is Asat cannot be the Hetu. They, Shunyavadi, they always will have destruction. They say from seed, if a sprout comes, seed is destroyed and then sprout, Ankura is produced. Bija Nashat, Ankura. Therefore, what is the Karanam for Ankura? Nasha. That is Shunya. This is how in Chandogya Bhashya this analysis is done. Up to this we keep. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakrutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.